Hi, my name is Vera and I worry quite a lot about the planet that we're living on because it is being destroyed. And we all know what causes this destruction of the planet, and that is us humans. According to scientists from the UK and the Netherlands, we actually have until 2035 to take radical climate action before it's too late. Furthermore, we also have this plastic soup going on in the ocean, we have animals getting stuck in plastic and dying, and it's just all very horrible. Now this frustrates me quite a lot because, you know, the real big changes have to come from the government, and since I'm not the government, it feels like I can't do much about it really. I just see the planet going to shit, but I'm not very useful, I feel like. However, instead of just sitting around and feeling useless, I can actually also do something about it, and it may not be as big of a change as I would like to do, but you know, everything counts and everything helps, even if it's just a tiny bit. So today I'm going to clean up the earth. I'm going to pick up trash and litter all around my local area. So as I said, this may not seem like much of a change, but imagine if we would all do this, if everyone on this earth would pick up some trash every day and put it in a bin and get it recycled, and that would make such a big impact, and that's exactly why I'm making this video. I'm not making this video to show off how good of a person I am. That's not my goal of this video. My goal is to inspire you to also take some action, even if it's just small. Because if we all do something small, it actually is something very big in the end. And it's also just so much fun to just go out in nature, spend time in nature when it's sunny, and just walk around, pick up some trash on your way, and yeah. So my boyfriend is joining me, which is lovely, and we're gonna get the tools now that we need, and yeah, let's go! Ew. Ow, Bobby, ow, prickles. Got it. Yay! Oh! You see everything!
Styrofoam.
You.
Oh!
Oh!
A little bit plastic. Oh!
Oh! Wait, I'm getting stressed out. I don't know if you can see it, but these things are literally all around us. I bumped my head into one, I don't like it. Let's move on. Okay, wait. So far, we're like 5 minutes in, and we're not really the insect type of people, so that's definitely a struggle so far. Oh, 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 oh.
Nope.
We're going on strong. We already got a lot of stuff in the first 5 minutes, so we've encountered an obstacle.
She's doing it.
Ow.
Oh my god. It was less epic than I anticipated.
So we're now more into like deep forest, and it's actually quite clean, so that's good, but you know, not really useful. So we're probably going to more of like the roads, because there's a lot more trash there. Oh my god, we spotted a doggo! Hi!
Hello!
Hi! Oh!
Oh.
Bye!
Bye, friend!
He's a good boy. Oh, okay. This is actually the cutest thing I've ever seen. Oh, a proud mama duck. Another good boy.
Hello. Oh.
Oh, he's going in. I'm wondering what people think when they see us collecting trash, walking with a garbage bag. and 1 glove. Oh, the bus is coming. But to be honest, I'd rather clean up and help to save the planet in a way than to care about what other people think. Normal.
You have to smell
Okay,
grass.
that's a lot.
There's more without that, huh?
Okay, that's absolutely gross. It doesn't stop, it's just an endless
I think this is just a heap of plastic with some
heap
grass
of
over it.
It looks like it's nature, but actually it's just plastic covered with grass. There's so much here. It's disgusting. It's such a contradiction to see like the pretty green leaves over here and the sun, and it's beautiful, and then there's just like trash everywhere. Okay, so far we have quite a lot. The bag is actually getting a bit heavy now. Oh wait. It's everywhere. Oh, that's actually interesting.
What is it?
It has writing on it. You can change someone else.
Leuke aflevering Dr. Phil.
There's definitely a lot more trash around parking lots than anywhere else so far. It's just like people magically like, well, not really magically, they just throw out all their stuff and just out of their car. They just don't care. I don't know, it's weird. I think we have been doing this for like an hour now and we are done. We're now just enjoying the sun, but I wanted to show you the result of an hour of trash picking. So this is what we got. That's a lot actually, and it's only in our neighborhood and only the stuff we could like easily get, so you can imagine that there's still so much out there. So, bye! Yay! High five.
Nice.
So as you could see, we've just been walking around for I think like an hour and a half maybe, and we picked up so much trash. It's actually quite terrible to see how much trash there is. I was actually surprised at how clean some spaces are. For example, in the forest it was actually quite clean, which is amazing. But in other places it was really, it was really the worst, especially around the parking spaces. So I just want to point out that we put the plastic trash with the other plastic trash. Does that make sense? What I mean is that now it will be recycled, whereas were we to put it with the just everything trash, like don't separate it for plastic and stuff, then it would be burnt, and that is obviously not very good for the atmosphere. So yay for recycling. Let me know what you do to be a little more sustainable and environmentally aware. We can all benefit from each other's tips, I think, so please share them in the comments below. And that's it for this video. If you liked watching this video, then please don't forget to give it a little thumbs up and subscribe. I would really love to have you on my channel, and then I'll see you in my next video. Bye!